That is some funny shit right now.
He's videotaping it.
What his stone pursuit of cracker.
I want him. You gotta get a shot of her drool.
Ew. No way. No way. Disgusting.
Depressed puppy. Hungry puppy.
Oh my god. You have to lick me. Oh, what a freak. We made him really weird with food.
Yeah, he loves saltines.
I think he needs water now. Someone.
I'll give him some water.
Although judging by all the drool, I'm sure his mouth isn't really dry.